We've been using the Lampe Berger for about 2 years now. When we moved into our current apartment, we noticed a strong tobacco smell, probably from the previous tenant. Even though the place had been freshly painted, the odor just wouldn't go away. We started looking for real solutions and came across the Lampe Berger. I was skeptical at first, but it worked surprisingly well. After using it regularly, the smell completely disappeared and the air finally felt clean again. You light it up for a couple of minutes, blow it out, and it keeps working through catalytic diffusion. It doesn't just cover up odors, it actually neutralizes them. These days, we mostly use it after cooking. There's a huge variety and they last a long time. We also tested it in our camper, mainly against mosquitoes, and we were seriously impressed. So if you're looking for something to truly freshen up your space, this might be worth checking out.